This deputy sheriff, charged with the responsibility of enlisting the cooperation of the local population in keeping the peace, was dressed for war. And he has testified under oath that the way in which he dressed and equipped himself was typical of others who have the same assignment within the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Let me describe to you the way this deputy sheriff was dressed. He was wearing military-style fatigues. He had on a flak jacket. He carried 5 clips of ammunition, 15 rounds in each clip, 1 round chambered in his sidearm, 76 rounds of ammunition, 3 shotgun casings, 5 pairs of handcuffs, a collapsible baton, a taser strapped to his chest. Dontrell Stephens was unarmed with anything that could be used as a weapon. He carried in his right hand his cell phone. From the time he is visible on the dash cam video until the time the shots ring out and he falls against the wall to the ground with his cell phone in his right hand. Why would a deputy sheriff shoot under those circumstances? And I will tell you that I am sure that's a question that Dontrell Stephens wakes up asking himself every morning and goes to sleep asking himself every night. I can't tell you why this officer shot Dontrell Stephens, but I can tell you that there was no reason to justify that shooting. Perhaps as he backed away, he thought he was about to run, and he didn't want him to escape. And he fired at him and shot him because he didn't want him to get away after having committed the grievous offense of impeding the flow of traffic on Haverhill Road in West Palm Beach, Florida. What we want are the kinds of changes in the internal investigations that are conducted of excessive use of force complaints to be meaningful. What we want are independent assessments conducted outside the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, conducted separate and apart from the State Attorney's Office, because I know about the relationship that exists between the State Attorney's Office and local law enforcement, and I know that while they operate with the best intentions, the nature of the relationship that exists between a prosecutor's office and local law enforcement is such that a truly independent assessment cannot be conducted. What we want is to have Sheriff Bradshaw, for whom I have a great deal of respect, and who I believe truly thinks that he is doing the right thing. I want him to stop showing up at the scene of every shooting and defending those shootings as justified before any reasonable investigation could possibly have been conducted. And when there are major discrepancies between the account of a law enforcement officer and irrefutable objective evidence, as there is in this case, I want somebody to be asking the right questions. How do you explain this?